All right, so you're out on a walk, and what if your bottoms of your feet start hurting? Or you just kind of feel blah, and that walk that you went out for pleasure or for exercise now really is hurting you. What can you do? Well, Bones for Life has more ideas to offer, and it's important to have multiple ideas of things we can choose from out on a walk to improve your walking and to improve your life. Hi, I'm Shircliff. I'm a Feldenkrais practitioner and a Bones for Life trainer, and I invite you to look in the description. There's a great PDF that you can download and write down comments and ideas that you get from this series of videos, and do subscribe so that you can see the whole series. So, as you're standing here, it might seem like a strange question to ask, but what do you feel standing here? Does it feel like you're balanced from one foot to the other? Or does it feel like you're leaning on one foot more than the other? And then start to become aware of your heels, and as if there's a piece of paper underneath your heels that somebody you love needed that piece of paper, begin to lift your heels just enough that that piece of paper could be slid out, and then tamp your heels down. So lift, drop, lift, tamp, lift, tamp, lift, tamp. And then, just as we would with like listening to your heartbeat does a little two tamp, right? A tap, tamp, 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 tamp. We want to do that with our heels. So bounce, 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 bounce. And you can even say with me the word we use in Bones for Life, pum, 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 pum. And then after you've bounced on your heels, take a moment just to notice if that's changed anything, something easier in your standing. Sometimes that's enough, but there's other goodness that we offer too. So what if it does feel like your neck and your shoulders or your upper back could use a little support? Bring both hands, one hand on top of the other, onto your breastbone as if you're going to suction cup the palm of your hand to your breastbone, and the other hand's there to support as well. And begin to press in like you're going to scoop your breastbone in and then up. And you're certainly sliding the skin for sure, and then let it go. But you want to also feel that you're actually moving your breastbone. You're actually sliding, scooping your breastbone in and then up. And let it go. And feel the difference. Scoop in and up. Let it go, and then this next time, scoop in and up and keep that, and let's begin to bounce on heels again. Pum pum, 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 pum pum. One more, pum pum. Let it go. Just pause and feel. Did that change anything in your standing? Something easier to stand here. And then how about something for your low back? What if you begin to bring your thumbs to your belly button, your navel, and then let your other fingers point down toward the ground. Then your thumbs could leave your navel if that's more comfortable. But use your fingers to gather some skin below your navel, gather some skin and draw that skin up. And then let it go. And start to feel, is that changing something in your standing? Maybe the weight in your feet changes. So you create the position, pause and feel it, and then let it go, and pause and feel the difference. So we're all about feeling the differences in Bones for Life. And if it feels like nothing's happening, you want to make sure that your knees are soft, right? So soften your knees a little bit. And then it might be easier to start to notice, there is a change of weight in your feet, and we're beginning to support your back through the front by shortening the front. Create length in your back by shortening the front. And the next time you have that, keep it, look into the distance, let's bounce on heels. pum pum, 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 pum pum. One more, pum pum. And let it go. All important pause after any little experience. Let your nervous system make sense of what's happening, the changes that are happening, becoming available for you. So we did something to improve our neck. We did something to improve our low back. We need to put it together now. So choose a hand you can bring up to your breastbone. Suction cup the palm to your breastbone. Choose a hand to bring the other hand to your navel. Let your thumb find your navel, and then your thumb can leave your navel. So your hand's kind of centered around your navel. Fingers below your navel. And you're going to, at the same time that you scoop your breastbone in and up, gather some skin and draw that skin upward. So all together. And then let it go. And remember, you might start with a little micro bend in your knees, so you begin to feel what happens through this experience of scooping your breastbone in and up and gathering skin at your belly. And the next time you have that, keep that, look into the distance. Let's bounce on heels again. Pum pum, 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 pum pum. One more, pum pum. Let it go. Pause and feel. Is there a different quality to your standing? Does the same foot have all the weight, or as much weight as before, or is it a little bit more spread out between your feet? Does your neck feel like you're standing here more easily, that your neck could even rest, have some rest, some quality of rest, even in something as challenging as standing? And then take a little walk around and begin to notice what you notice through your walking. Especially if you can have a few more steps in a row. Is it easier now to continue the walk that you began? Could you get yourself home, not only just to get yourself home, but with some pleasure in your step, some spring in your step? And that's what Bones for Life begins to offer us.